Hi friends, in this video we are going to see enable attribute under application attributes under Win32 mode in BluePrism. Enable means in any target application, if it is enabled, then only we can access like any keyboard inputs or mouse clicks. Otherwise, so it won't access, it won't allow any inputs. Means, so it indicates whether the element is available for interaction in the target application. Means whether the element is so grayed out or clickable. Okay, to discuss in detail about this attribute, so better to take one surface automation application. Let me create one business object for this one. Enable attribute. So go to application modeler, click on next and choose an application like a surface automation application. Next, then launch. So if you observe here on this in the main window, here no one is grayed out. All are working. Okay, for this one, if I let's say log in to this application, this application is open, and here you can see these buttons are grayed out, so it won't allow you any keyboard inputs or mouse clicks. The client ID, last name, first name, date of birth, title, and you can see check radio buttons is grayed out. And then to enable, if I click on a new, so we'll allow select any inputs. So like this. So we'll see in BluePrism how the BluePrism is going to identify this one. And let me log into this application, and before that, so let me teach to BluePrism about this one. Login screen, or login window, then add element, click on identify, so username field, apply and click on add element, identify, password field, apply, click on add element, identify, login. So if you observe here the login window, so click on match index, say enable is true, and username field, the enable is true, and the password field, the enable is true, and the login field, the enable is also true. Right. So let me log into an application to log into an application, let me design like one process here. So navigate, so right stage, and again right stage, and again navigate, so launch, then make it activate. To activate, require like one more navigate stage, then drag and drop the login window here, and then activate application, and then go to right stage. So it requires 2 data items, means like inputs. So username and data type is so text. You can assign any name, but the names should be like similar. So username and password should be like similar. So password, and data type is password admin, and go to right stage and drag and drop. So username here, then username field, so username, I click on OK, and next password, password field mapping, then click on OK, then login, click on press, so link all stages, so reset it, then run it. Okay, let me continue this process. Open application modeler. So let me teach to BluePrism about some more objects here, and click on add element. So identify. So let me capture this one. The name is like client ID. And apply. So before new, and let me click on here like a new. Now let me capture add element, identify, client ID. After, press like a new button. Okay, we'll look at the attributes in client ID before new and after new. What like a match index. So if you observe here, the enable is like a false, and client ID after new, you can see the enable is like a true. Means enable means will allows like keyboard inputs. So earlier either keyboard inputs or mouse clicks. Earlier it's not allowed, since it's like disabled, it is it is not supposed to allow, but whereas now it's allowing, it can allow inputs, right? And then it's like this. Okay, there is a difference between like enable and disable. Enable means like it will allow both keyboard inputs and mouse clicks. Thank you for watching. Please stay with us.